Chances are, if you play both Airsoft and Paintball, you've been asked many times, which hurts more, Airsoft or Paintball? Today we'll be answering this question both scientifically and physically. But first, let's get the sciencey part out of the way, shall we? As many of you probably know, this is a paintball. It is a .68 caliber projectile being shot at roughly 200 feet per second. That is roughly 12 joules of energy on impact. It will be fired from a Tippmann Kronos paintball gun using a 90-gram CO2 cartridge for propellant. The problem with using CO2 for a propellant is that it tends to decrease your projectile speed on cold days and increase it on warm days. The day we did this was roughly 50 degrees Fahrenheit out, so it was going to be about normal speed, maybe a little bit less. This is an Airsoft BB. It is a 6mm projectile weighing in at 0.2 grams. Today we'll be shooting it out of a CMA AK-47, or to be more precise, a CM028, powered by a 9.4 volt battery. The BB will be going about 350 feet per second. That is only about 1 joule of energy on impact. Unlike the CO2 powered paintball gun, the temperature doesn't seem to affect the electric airsoft gun in any noticeable way, except for draining the battery a little bit quicker. Scientifically, the paintball gun should hurt more, but let's do a field test to be 100% sure. Ben has kindly volunteered to be the human target for today's experiment. Now, to be 100% scientifically accurate, we're going to do another 2 sets of 5. The first set will be done with paintballs, and the other with airsoft. Now, let's see how this goes, shall we? And now it's Airsoft's turn. And these are where the 5 paintballs hit. Now these are where the 5 Airsoft BBs landed. And now I'll let Ben tell you in his own words what it felt like and which hurt more.
I'd say they hurt about the same. The main differences would be the paintball gun, it left bruises and the pain was more of a burning pain, while the airsoft gun, it left welts and blood blisters and the pain was more of a stinging pain.